Hello, let us solve this one. Construct perpendicular lines through a point not on a line by hand. So I have this line that's given. Let me name it AB. And I have one point that is not on this line. So let us say that is point C and that is over here. And I need to make perpendicular through these points. Now there are some kids who find it really very confusing that what is the meaning of by hand and what is the meaning of by technology. By technology it means you will be using more circles, and by hand it means you will be using arcs. So here it's very simple. You need to take your compass and you need to put it over here, and then you need to open it little more than distance between line and point C. So this is the distance between line and point C, and you need to open little more than that. And then you will be making arcs which intersect line AB. And let's name it D and E. So here D, here E. Now without changing the width, you need to put your compass over here and you need to make arc something like this. And then you need to go here at E and you need to make arc something like this which intersect the previous arc. And then you need to make line passing from point C and this intersection. Let me name it F over here, and this is perpendicular to line AB, isn't it? So this is how you can make it. I hope you find it useful.